Hi everyone. For several months, I struggled to find a product to clean my shower floor, and I finally found something that works. It's called Diamond Magic, and it actually did a magical job on my shower floor. It is not a spray on and rinse off product. It did take a lot of scrubbing to remove the 10 years of water stain buildup. I have a Kohler Sterling Accord shower enclosure made of solid Vikrell material. The textured floor has sharp edges, which makes cleaning very difficult. I tried vinegar, baking soda, Dawn dishwashing liquid, 20 Mule Team Borax, the ROG3 cleaning system, and many others. Diamond Magic is the only product that worked, but again, it took a lot of scrubbing to remove the stains. I purchased a medium stiffness drill brush attachment and got to work. I applied a generous amount and scrubbed a small sample area. To avoid scratching the surface, it is recommended that only 4 pounds of force be applied. Full disclosure, a friend in the cleaning business recommended Diamond Magic, and I emailed the company to see if Diamond Magic was safe to use on the Vikrell material. To my surprise, company president Alex responded and provided me a free bottle to test out. I did not mention my Hacks by Dad YouTube channel or website. I'll inform him after this video is posted. After 15 minutes of scrubbing, there was no noticeable improvement. The bristles were too soft, so I cut them short and tried again. Make sure your extra batteries are charged because you'll need them. After 20 minutes of scrubbing, there was finally noticeable improvement. Here are before and after photos. 4 additional scrubbing sessions over the next several weeks, and I was very pleased with the results. There's still more work to be done, but at least I now have a product that works.